Put ground beef in tortillas, you won't regret it. A quick and easy meal. Here I have 400 grams of ground beef. And I'm going to crack a whole egg. And the second one I'll leave only the white and remove the yolk. Then add salt to taste, a teaspoon of paprika and black pepper to taste. Stir well until the eggs are combined with the meat. That's the point, folks. Next, take a tortilla, add a little butter on top, and let's brush it on. Then add grated mozzarella cheese. And add another tortilla dough. Then add a little more butter on top of the tortilla and brush it on again. Now we can take the meat. Take a small portion like this and spread it over the tortilla like this. Now I'm going to put a little chopped spring onion on top. Then I'll roll it up like this. Squeeze it to make it firm. And then cut it in half. Do the same process with the other tortillas until you've finished with the minced meat. Now grease a platter with olive oil. Then add the stuffed tortillas. This is one of the best tortilla recipes I've ever had. It's just so tasty. Once you've filled the dish, take the egg yolk we set aside and add a tablespoon of milk. I'm going to mix this very well until it's smooth, and then we're going to brush the yolk and milk over the tortillas. Now put them in the oven at 180 degrees to bake for 30 minutes. After that time, look how golden they are. What a treat! Let's spread the rest of the egg yolk on top here. And add some grated mozzarella cheese. This will make them even more delicious. Put them back in the oven to brown the mozzarella. Look how delicious they are. This is a very special recipe, super easy, quick, and delicious. This recipe makes my family happy here at home. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.